Users can now utilize advanced AI technology to streamline and automate various web development tasks. In this tutorial, we'll dive deeper into how to build a website using ChatGPT. Users need to create an account on OpenAI's website before using ChatGPT. The process is quite straightforward. All you have to do is provide some information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up a new OpenAI account. Visit ChatGPT's page and click Try ChatGPT to log in or create a new account. You can also get some information about this tool, including its training method, limitations, and examples of use cases. Create a new account by entering your email address and password, and click Continue. After that, you will receive a verification request through email. Open it and click Verify Email Address. The button will direct you to OpenAI's account onboarding page, where you have to input your name and phone number. Then, OpenAI will send a verification code to your phone number through WhatsApp or SMS. Once you're done with the onboarding process, you can start using the AI model by writing a question or prompt on the AI chat box. Hit Enter and wait for the chatbot to respond to your query. The speed of this response depends on how many people use the service at the moment. Build your WordPress site pages with ChatGPT. To start, we asked ChatGPT to create a simple website outline for a small web development business that consists of at least 5 pages. ChatGPT provided us with a simple outline and some brief explanations about what each page should contain. Users can use this recommendation as the basis for their sitemap. Furthermore, you can expand this recommendation to make it more applicable to your site. You can ask to create a homepage for the website, write down the hero title, tagline, and a strong call to action. Additionally, the AI model can help with some essential website elements, like a web hosting provider or WordPress business themes based on your needs. Ask ChatGPT to recommend a simple and responsive WordPress theme that works well with Bootstrap. The next step is to test whether the ChatGPT bot can create code for basic web pages. In this example, we will ask AI to write lines of HTML code to create some of the pages we need. The first prompt is to make a homepage using Bootstrap Responsive Design. Write prompt to create a homepage template using Bootstrap Responsive Design. Include the menu for the homepage, services, portfolio, blog, and About Us on the header. The chatbot responded with lines of code for a home page as asked. Copy the code to CodePen to test and make sure it works properly. And this is how it looks like on a browser. And that is how to create a WordPress website in ChatGPT. Explore further to create interactive websites. Join our community of fellow AI enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel, hitting that notification bell, and embarking on this exciting journey with us. Let's dive deep into the world of AI together.